Hello everyone, my name is Nur Ainun from class C, and today I would like to share my impression after reading an article titled American versus British English. After reading this article, I realized that English is not just one single language, but it has different varieties that are quite equally correct and beautiful. The two most well-known forms are American English and British English, although both are the same language. They have many small but interesting differences in spelling, vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciation. Let me start with spelling. In American English, many words are written in simple way. For example, color in American English written color in British English. The word center in American becomes center in British. This shows how American English often prefers shorter and more direct spelling, while British English gives more of the original from other English and French influences. Next is vocabulary. This is one of the most fun part of because some words can be completely different but mean the same thing. For example, Americans say elevator while the British say live. American use truck while the British say lorry. If an American lives in an apartment, a British person will call it a flat. These differences sometimes cause confusion for learners, but they also make English richer and more colorful. When it comes to pronunciation, the article helped me understand how accent can completely change the way English sounds. For example, the word schedule is pronounced as schedule in American English but schedule in British English. Also in American English, the letter R is usually pronounced clearly in words like car or hair, while in British English, the R sound is softer or sometimes even silent. Listening to both accent is interesting because each one has its own calm. The article also talks about grammar. In American English, people often use gotten as the past participle of get, while in British English, it is simply got. For example, Americans would say, I have gotten used to it, while the British say, I've got used to it. Another difference is how people ask question. American usually say, do you have a pen? While British people might say, you have got a pen. Both are grammatically correct, just used differently depending on the region. From reading this article, I learned that, that there is not better English between American and British. They both serve the same purpose, communication. The most important thing is consistency. If we choose to use American English, we should use it consistently in writing and speaking. And the same time applies if we choose British English. Personally, if I feel the element both version is very helpful, especially for a student like me. Understanding that differences allow us to communicate with people from many parts of the world, whether they speak American or British English. It also helps use recognized accent in movies, songs, or academic materials. In conclusion, this article made me appreciate English more deeply. It taught me that language is not only about grammar or vocabulary, but also about culture and identity. American English reflects the simplicity and modern style of America, while British English carries this history and tradition of the United Kingdom. That's all my impression about the article American versus British English. Thank you for listening and I hope you also find this topic as fascinating as I did. Thank you so much.